Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly go over how you can add additional locations to stop at in your current navigation that you're set on. So right now I'm navigating to one particular area. If I want to add stops, it's pretty easy. We just need to find these three dots to open up our menu. So if you have it where the map is showing, it's right here. If you have the map in the upper right hand corner and your navigation is down here, again, it's just going to be clicking on these three dots to open up this menu right here. So once we have our menu, what we want to do is click on where it says add stop. And then from here, we can enter in an additional spot that we would like to stop. So let's say I want to add an additional spot along the way, and just double check to make sure that it's the correct spot that you want to stop at. And then we can click on this little plus icon right next to the navigation pin. And then that will add it to the list of places that we're going to stop. And if we want to add an additional stop on top of this, we can again open up our menu, click add stop, and enter in the location we want to stop at. And again, once you find the area that you'd like to stop, you can add it and just make sure it's the place that you want to stop at. And then again, click on that little plus icon next to the navigation pin. And again, it's going to add it to our list of places that we're going to be stopping. And additionally, if you'd like to remove any of these places that you're going to be stopping at or reorganizing the list and how you're going to be navigating to them, again, we're going to open up our menu and then click on where it says edit trip. And then you can remove the spots by clicking on the little X's, or you can reorganize the list by just dragging and dropping them in whichever order that you want them to be in. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how you can add additional locations to your navigation, how you can remove them or reorganize them. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.